Hey, it's me, Anita, coming to you with a collab Saturday Morning Makes hosted by Jill Norwood. And in this video, we're just to do something crafty every Saturday if you can, or whenever you, in this collab, whenever you can. So I use these bees, the products that I used. I use this from Diamond Press. It's a beehive, and I use that. And I use the honeycomb dye. And I also used, I got this from Amazon. And I got this from, if I'm not mistaken, I got that from scrapbook.com. Okay. And I forgot the beehive, or this. But anyhow, this is what I did. This one. Just plain 2. And they're all pretty much the same on the inside. So, yeah. That's all I have for you guys today. Until next time, you guys have a blessed day. And if you haven't subscribed, I appreciate it if you do. And if you have already, thank you very much. Bye-bye.